Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple trick to reference dynamically generated numbers in your dataset. So here I'm using the customer wizard, the More Perhaps customer wizard, and I'm connected to one of our vision instances. It is a 1213 vision instance. And here I'm using our customer wizard to create a couple of customer accounts. So I'm logged in with the correct responsibility, and here is how I want my setup to be. So here's the primary customer, just a simple name. And what I'm doing here for the party name is I'm just equating it with a formula to the account name. So all of Excel functions are pretty effective in our wizards as well. Now here comes the secondary customer, and the requirement here is to use the primary customer number in my account name for the secondary customer. So how I achieve that is by using a formula again, and I'm concatenating the account number generated here with my alphanumeric text or whatever I need to append at the end. So in my case, I'm just using secondary customer, but it could be anything. Now this kind of referencing can be used in any of these fields. For example, if in my instance, I have auto account generation enabled. So I have to automatically generate my account number. But if it is not so in your instance, you could even use formulae for your customer number and reference a prior customer number in generating a new customer number. Likewise, I'm going to create a relationship between these two dynamically. And as you all know, you usually need the primary customer number, the account number here to create the related number. So in this case, I'm just going to again do a circular reference and give it back, point it back to the customer number being generated here, and trust that it's going to create a relationship between the newly generated account number and the secondary customer being created here. There are some of the other fields which are needed, like the organization type, its status, and even on the relationship, there are a few columns needed to create a relationship, like the reciprocal flag and other statuses. So I'm leaving it on the defaulting row number 10, for all the other values, and they should all pop in if I'm leaving it blank on my data row. These should all percolate down. So with that intent, I'm going to just upload this data set of just 2 rows. It could be many, it could be hundreds, thousands. And as you all know, our wizards work pretty well with mass data uploads. So I'm going to upload these 2 rows, and we can hope that the secondary customer is created with a name which uses the primary customer number, and a relationship is established in the same go. So it says processing finished, and everything comes back green. So let us look at the customer number. So that's 14321 for the primary, and that has been used in formulating the name, account name, for my secondary customer. So as you can see, the concatenation pulled in the primary customer number and then generated the secondary customer name. Likewise, it was able to percolate down the primary customer number and create a relationship. So let me download or query for account number 14322, and we should be able to see the relationship and the account name, just to verify again that everything has been created as expected. So here is the name that came back, and it is pointing to my primary customer number. Here's the account relationships that came back, and it is created with an active relationship with 14321 as expected. So this was a simple trick to do some internal referencing within the data set. Thank you.